We didn't even get to this yesterday at all. It goes all the way over. We didn't even get a chance to even remotely come close to here. Jesus. Hi, Lonnie.
How you doing, sir?
Good, you? Any of you square body Ford fans? Hello, Back to the Future. Girls ain't playing out here. Just to give y'all some perspective, I'm 6 foot. I am 6 feet tall. And these are kind of normal in here. There are a few that I could stand underneath. Beautiful job. There's one I can stand under. Like I said, if you love C10s, they're here. Hard body with a tilt bed. I love this generation. Oh, this is sick. It's just after 8 a.m. and my feet are already tired from walking. This venue is huge. So we're walking all this first thing this morning and did a bunch yesterday in the evening, trying to bring you as much coverage of just the vehicles as possible without the crowds around, because the crowds are starting to roll in now, so it's easier to film this now than it is at noon today when everybody's around. Still going to do some filming, definitely want to catch all the driving and the cruising. Just want to try and catch this stuff now where you can see more of the vehicles and less people, that's all. That's why if it looks like there's not a big crowd here yet, there will be. This will end up being standing room only. You won't be able to move in here. So we're just trying to do that for you now. Yes, sir. Well, this is the iconic definition, right? Told ya. Now this is a whole nother scene that I know nothing about. We have side-by-sides at home, but nobody does this because it doesn't really work at home. Everything is bigger in Texas. This is unbelievable. It's a lot of money. So rad though.
I'm still that same nigga, east side, I rep there. Pussy niggas better get right or I see you get left there. Use the rifle as my crush. I'm strapped up, nigga, fuck a gun law. See me walking with a limp, that's my gun walk. I don't do no arguing, I let the gun.
That sun is out. Ooh, nice F350. Like I said, that sun is out, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. Welcome to Texas, baby. Oh, there's Phil, fellow Canadian and the builder of all the trophies. Follow Phil Built. Builds all the amazing awards down here.
Morning.
Hi, handsome.
That feels good.
That feels good.
Yeah, that's the free part. No, the extra
yeah.
is 25.
Yeah, exactly.
How are ya?
Canadian or American part? Just now? Oh.
Yeah, we went. That's where we started.
Is he here already?
Andrew?
What's up, man?
What's going on? Who's that?
Is he here already?
Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's here. Yeah, his dad and Todd and them are right here with Phil. He's over at the truck, I think, right now.
So Adam's already at the truck
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah, he should be.
Okay.
If he's not with his dad, if he's not with his dad and Phil and them, then he'll be over at the truck.
Okay.
I left him there a few minutes ago.
Just
So
about to give him my award.
when do you want to do it?
Doing it right now.
You want to do it all before you get busy in that? Yeah. Should.
Wanna go there real quick? I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna...
Hey, Todd, is Adam at the truck? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, he's over at the
I'm
truck.
gonna hide it.